How does a tire company established over 70 years ago grow to be a powerhouse of award-winning design, safety, and performance? With cutting-edge technology. At Nexen Tire, we have an unwavering dedication to producing the world's best tires and delivering our customers unsurpassed value. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are the result of continued investment in the most advanced technology. We recruit the industry's most talented engineers and designers that are dedicated to producing the absolute best tires in the industry. And we pride ourselves on the implementation of the industry's most stringent quality and performance standards. Innovation has been a driving force behind Nexen from the beginning. With a facility the size of 86 football fields, there's no room for error. With safety and quality being our foremost concern, Nexen's pre-engineered building system increases efficiency and helps eliminate the slightest imperfections. This long-standing commitment to quality and safety is one of the many reasons automotive manufacturers worldwide choose Nexen as their tire of choice. Safety, quality, and innovation are found in each of our award-winning performance-driven tires. The Enfera SU1 is Nexen's ultra-high performance tire that provides superior cornering, stability, and wet weather performance, all without sacrificing comfort or quietness. The Roadian AT Pro offers light truck and SUV owners the best in safety and handling in all terrains. Whether you're driving the city streets, exploring the desert, or carving your own path, the AT Pro provides the confidence and performance for wherever life takes you. Introducing the Enfera RU5, Nexen's ultra-high-performance premium SUV and crossover tire. Designed for optimum comfort and control, it eliminates tire noise, offering a quiet ride for long road trips. Whether wet or dry, the RU5 provides stability and handling for performance driving. At Nexen, we believe that performance and passion go hand in hand. When you're passionate about something, you don't sacrifice quality. For us, this means creating tires that are rigorously tested in a wide range of conditions, roads, and terrains. Our motorsports and sponsorship programs include partnerships with SEMA, Endurocross, Snowboarder Summer Games, Canoe and Kayak Awards, and more, enabling us to work with fellow enthusiasts and raise the bar for performance and comfort. As an organization that prides itself on being an active and involved part of the community, we believe that producing a safe and dependable experience for consumers is our primary responsibility. That is why each set of Nexen tires comes with an industry-leading warranty to help protect consumers from premature wear and unexpected damage caused by road hazards, as well as free roadside assistance in the event of a flat tire. With its dedication to quality, unsurpassed value, and mission to stand behind every single tire, it's no surprise that Nexen is a brand on the rise. Nexen Tire. Driving tomorrow.